In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete individual responses in Google Forms. Start by opening the Google form you want to work with. You need to be in the editing view of the form, not just viewing it as a respondent. Along the top of the form, you will see tabs like Questions and Responses. Click the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms collects and displays everything that has been submitted. When the Responses area opens, you will usually land on a summary-style view that groups results together. For deleting one specific submission, you need to switch to the view that shows responses one at a time. Look for the option labeled Individual and click it. Now you should see a single response displayed on the screen. Next, you will navigate to the exact response you want to remove. Near the top of the response, you will find navigation controls. You can use the left and right arrows to move backward or forward through each submission. If your form has many responses, you can also click into the response number field and type a number to jump directly to a specific entry. Take your time here and confirm you are on the correct response by reading through the answers shown on the page. Once you are viewing the response you want to delete, look toward the top right of that response entry. You will see a trash can icon, which is the Delete Response button. Click the trash can. Google Forms will then ask you to confirm, because this action permanently deletes that individual submission from your form's responses. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes or OK to finalize the deletion. After you confirm, that response is removed, and Google Forms will move you along to the next available response. A quick tip: make sure you are deleting the right entry before you confirm, especially if several responses look similar. It helps to double-check unique details in the submission before clicking the trash can. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.